Hello.
Yes, I had a missed call.
Yeah, this is the Publishers Clearinghouse. You rightfully won yourself $6.5 million,
Oh
a
my
brand
goodness.
a brand
Oh
new 20.
my goodness. You six and a half million.
Yes, and a brand new 2022 G-Wagon Mercedes along with $7,000 each and every week for the rest of your life.
You said 6.5 million and
Yes, ma'am.
$7,000 a week and a
Mm,
C-Wagon,
a G-Wagon, yes.
G-Wagon. What
Yes,
is the
yes.
G-Wagon?
It is a Mercedes Benz.
Oh my goodness.
We have public delivery and we have private delivery. Which one of these delivery do you prefer more?
We can do the public delivery. You
Oh,
said
you
I
want
get
it?
to be on TV?
Yes.
Yes,
But
let's do the.
we could still do the private delivery and you're gonna be on TV as well. But my recommendation to you for your own safety, I would prefer a private delivery, all right? For your elderly, because you are an elderly lady, I do not want anything to wrong with you. No one trying to come knocking at your door, trying to jeopardize you of your rightful one here, all right?
I got a pistol. We can do the public.
Okay, Miss Jackson. And you do live alone, right?
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. You would definitely would have to take care of a processing and releasing fee of your price package. Okay?
All right. How much is that gonna be?
It is only gonna be for the minimum amount of $1,500. Nothing more, nothing less. Not a penny more, not a penny less.
15. I can do 15.
Okay. And how would you like to do this $1,500? Would you like it to you? Would you like to do a check,
Check would
a,
be
s- a,
fine.
a a certified check, or a personal check?
Maybe we could do the personal check.
Okay, and you have that amount of money in your savings account, right? Your checkings account, right?
Yes, I have it in checking or savings.
This portion of the scam went fast. We got an address in record time. We're going to move on to the second scammer of the day, but we'll hear from this scammer a little bit later in the video.
Hello. Please leave a message after the tone.
Hey, I just had a missed call from you. Just call me back. This is
Hello?
Sandy. Yes.
Hello?
Yes, how are you
Hi,
doing?
Miss Sandy. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Oh, your phone is so hard to get a hold of you on.
Oh, I'm sorry. Who is this?
All right. This is Mr. Todd Sloan from the Publishers Clearinghouse. I've been trying to get a hold of you from yesterday pertaining to your cash awards. We were calling to find out if you're interested in getting your cash prize or if you want to have it reshuffled for someone else. So that is the reason why we're trying to get a hold of you. Because
You
your
said
cash prize
what
is...
was your name?
My name is Mr. Todd Sloan.
I think this scammer in particular is dangerous. He talks fast and he's well spoken for English to not be his first language. When talking to a victim, sometimes if a scammer is capable, they will speak fast, and what it does to the elderly is it'll confuse them and it keeps their mind running. The less time the victim has to think about what was just said, the better, as a scammer would say.
Myself, along with Dave Sayer, we work here at the PCH, so the notification message that you have gotten was to get in contact with either myself or Mr. Todd Sloan. I was wondering if you're interested in claiming your $18.5 million that you have won.
$18.5 million?
Yes, ma'am, that is what you have won. You didn't listen to the message carefully?
No, I don't remember getting a message.
However, when you called, I was in a meeting, and I missed your call this morning. So I decided that I'm going to call you back again to find out if you're interested in getting your prize.
Oh, all right. Are you washing dishes?
No, I was just washing off my hands.
Oh,
I just
okay.
had a little snack
All right.
in my hands. So basically what I'm seeing here in the system is that you have won $18.5 million, plus you will be getting a weekly deposit of $10,000 for life.
Weekly?
However, your first...
You said weekly,
Yes,
$10,000.
every week. That's $40,000 a
$40,000
month.
a month.
That is correct. IRS doesn't pay any amount near that.
I was actually shocked at this point because I thought he made a mistake in his script. $7,000 weekly is what they normally offer, but he said $10,000. This scam has gotten even more dangerous psychologically. In total, to Sandy, this scam is worth $18,717,570. And if Sandy lives for a minimum of 5 more years on the short end, this only guarantees Sandy to be winning $21,117,570. That's a lot of money to be promised.
What is required for you to be doing is to get your cash prize fully registered, properly processed. So this is a 4-step process that I'm going to guide you through. There is registration, processing, state-to-state approval, and IRS. Basic registration, as I said, is $505.95. Okay? Do you think it's possible you could take care of your registration payment?
Yeah, we can do that.
Your IRS is 1% of your total cost, which is $185,000. That is 1% of the total cost, which is $18.5 million. So 1% of that is $185,000. You will be paying that after you receive the cash prize, not before. Okay?
Okay.
Right.
Yo, is that math right?
So the only thing that we're looking on right now is just that $3,005.95. But the first process you need to do is to do the registration. Do you think there is a possibility you're able to obtain your registration card today so we can start the main processes?
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay. What about the state-to-state approval? How much out of that do you think you're able to get covered?
That's $2,500.
Yes.
I can do that. Hello.
Yes, hello.
Hey, is this Michael?
Yes.
Hey, I just had Todd Sloan call me.
And what do Todd Salone said?
He said that he works for Publishers Clearinghouse, and he said I won $18.5 million.
Let I see what is going on here. So
Please.
do you have the 1,500 been sent?
Yes, that's done. But
Okay.
if I need to cancel this, tell me now.
No, you're not going to cancel the 1,500, all right?
Well, who is this man?
Let I check it out.
Please.
Just hold it for me, all right?
All right, it's Todd Sloan. TODD SLOAN. He said he works with you.
Okay, no problem. Let I check it out.
Hello.
Yes.
How are you doing, Mama?
I'm fine. Is this Andrew?
Yes, Mama, I miss you.
Andrew!
Oh, my God, I miss you, honey.
How have you
I
been?
miss you.
How have you been?
I could been better, but my mind was on you all day, but you could talk with my
I've been trying to call you. You called me from an international number, and I could not call you back. My
You
phone
cannot
will
call
not
me-
call international numbers.
Okay, but I have a different number. You could call on this number whenever time, okay?
So I can call this number to talk to you.
Yes, whenever you want to.
Okay. All right.
Okay,
So
and
am I
everything
working
is-
with you
and
or
every-
Michael?
Yeah, well, we're gonna work with both. Me and Mr. Michael, we're the two of us gonna have this done for you. All right?
All right.
Yeah. So what I would like from you, can you verify me with the tracking number
The tracking number for what?
of the receipt?
They
The
didn't.
FedEx.
Hold on.
Yes, a tracking number is there.
Let me call them. Hold on.
I wonder what a tracking number looks like for the post office. Or no, it'd be FedEx. What does a tracking number look like for FedEx? We called back with a fake FedEx tracking number to try to get past that part to see if there was any more information they would offer to us.
I miss you so much. I try to call you like every day. I use this number to call you the other day.
I missed you too, and that's what I told him, is that I had a missed call that I missed. But with you,
Yeah.
when you called me, it was the 876 number. My phone would not, I couldn't text you, and I couldn't call you.
Okay. Okay, wonderful. That is great. That is great. And where are you now?
I'm at home.
All right, you were at home. That's
Yes.
wonderful. And what happened? And remember that the last time I was trying to talk to you, you're supposed to have $10,000 taken care of, right?
Yes, I remember.
All right, but what I'm gonna have you do, I'm gonna have to have you made out a check, which is for the $10,000. But what happened? This check you're gonna I'm gonna let you get it from the bank, which you're gonna get a certified cashier's check. Will that be a problem?
If I'm going to the bank, could I just deposit the money into the account?
No. But what happened? The best way for you to do it, you will have to get a cashier's check, which is a certified cashier's check from the bank for the 10,000.
Okay. All right.
So
Yeah, that'd be fine.
So what I will do, I'm gonna provide you with the name.
Okay.
All right. So what I want you to do, I'm gonna have the name give to you, which you're gonna have the cashier's check made out to. Just hold on for me.
All right.
And you think your bank is closed?
Oh, maybe so. Hold on.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Yeah.
No, it says they closed at 2.
All right. Okay. All righty. So what I want you to do, get in your car and get your stuff together. I'm on the line. Don't hang me up.
All right, hold on. Let me get my pocketbook, this paper, bringing a pen with me. I'm ready to go. I gotta hurry. Oh.
Okay, when you're in the car, you let me know.
I'm in the car now.
All right, head to the back. I don't want to lose you again, all right?
Yes, please. I need this money so bad. Where am I going?
All right, remember, you're going to the bank to get the cashier's check,
The bank,
okay?
that's right.
Right, but I'm going to give you the name. Yeah, so how is things going on with you? It's been a while.
It has been a while. It's going all right. I've had some health problems with, my memory is not so good now.
Okay. Don't worry, I'm here to get it back, all right?
Hold on. Did this man really just say that he was here to get my memory back? Anyways, Sandy tells Andrew that since they last spoke, she had been diagnosed with Alzheimer's. I don't like to seem like I'm making light of the disease, but adding a deadly situation for the character these scammers are trying to scam really shines a new light on how much they don't care about a single soul but themselves. Andrew continues the scam, as we knew he would.
How much am I getting out of the bank?
Remember, you're going to get a cashier's check for $10,000.
The cashier's, okay. All right, I'm pulling in.
Alrighty, when you pulled in, you just got the paper so I could give you the name which you're gonna put on the cashier's check, okay?
All right, hold on.
Alright, the first name you're gonna have is Yeah?
All right, I got the check.
All right, you got the check for the 10,000. All right. And do you have like a brown envelope in your car?
Not in my car. I can get that from the post office. Oh, Andrew.
Yeah, you got the envelope?
Yes.
All right, wonderful. So what I'm gonna you're gonna have the check put in there. I'm gonna let Mr. Michael give you the information of what you're gonna put on the envelope.
Okay. Okay. What is the address?
The whole reason we had given up on Andrew is because he started giving us old information, but today we got some new names and addresses, so it may be worth pursuing again. The faster we can locate these victims and bank accounts, the safer it is for the victims. I'm going to end this here. I was excited to hear Andrew's voice because we had been trying to call him for a week or two prior to this. But since he's been calling from a Jamaican number, I haven't been able to talk to him. But Andrew and his rooster Max are back. This is Takeout. I'll see y'all. We called back with a fake FedEx tracking number to try to get past that part to see if there was any information. We called back with a fake FedEx tracking number. We called back with a fake FedEx tracking number to try to get past that part to see if they were. We called back with a fake. Oh my God. We called back with a fake FedEx tracking number to try to get past that part to see if there was any more information they would offer to us. Jesus Christ.